Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, the one and the only Dogecoin, the people's cryptocurrency. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective, looking at some very key areas for us to be essentially trading and also DCAing. And then once we're done with those very important points and just general synopsis on the market for Doge, we're going to be looking at some very important bull market structures. So 3 bull market structures for the targets for the next 6 to 12 months or so. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this update on Doge. Okay, so Doge is currently priced at around 12 cents a coin. So Doge to $1 is in full force in this bull market right now. And as you can see, we do have a market cap currently of around $17.5 billion. Now, if we look at the all-time high for Doge, it's actually up at around, if I can get on it, up at around 64 cents. Okay, so nearly got to that dollar there. But from a market cap perspective, it was around $82 billion market cap. Do I think we're going to get there in this bull market? Absolutely. I do think there's a massive, massive chance. And if we are looking at a 10x for Doge right now, that will actually put us at $175 billion in terms of a market cap, but it will put us well over a dollar. Okay, it'd be $1.20 per coin, and I do think this is probably pretty achievable, guys. I don't think it's completely out of the question. All right, with the capital flowing in, this being the leading meme coin in the space, I do think Doge will and potentially if Elon incorporates it into X as well, then there's big possibilities there. Now let's talk about Doge from a technical analysis perspective and look at some very important levels. So you can see right now, as just discussed, priced at around 12 cents, and the last sort of day or so has been pretty brutal, or to say the least. 3.5% to the downside there. But you can also see the last few days, okay, the last sort of 5-6 days has been a bit of a pullback. I mean, after seeing this low get set and that massive move to the upside here, I'm not too upset with it. So it's just a nice pullback of around 14% here. As long as we're above this very important Fibonacci area, 0.236, I am still sort of in a macro bullish stance on this asset. But in terms from a DCA perspective, I would say that this right here is the pocket, the play freedom pocket, okay? And what we're looking at for here is the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, the daily volume weighted ATR band, and the 12-hour. Now, the last time that we tested basically all 3 of these, you can see the momentum to the upside was huge. It was ridiculous, okay? So if we do come down to these at this area here, it's a very, very strong buying opportunity in my opinion, and I do think that that we can be trading that pretty much with ease. First things first, I would expect a bounce on the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. So from a short-term trading perspective, we could be looking at something like this, and then down to the downside, and then probably a nice wick, nice test, and then we bounce right back up again to probably test this currently unconfirmed lower high. So that's sort of what I would say about Doge right now. Looks pretty good overall. We're probably just on a bit of a pullback right now, as you can see from this trend line, quite reactive for resistance. Okay, so coming down to this level is completely achievable, completely fine. And for a bit of positivity here, there is actually a bull flag scenario here at the top of this uptrend here, which if we do break to the upside here, it's going to be a very, very nice move. That's very, very smooth for a nice breakout there, for a bit of bullish momentum. So yeah, that is what I would say about Doge. Let's have a look at the quantum insight, look at momentum, and a few other things here. You can see momentum from this top zone here back on the 28th of May to where we just saw it on the 23rd of July. You can actually see it's dying out ever so slightly, getting smaller here. So the momentum to the upside is getting weaker, unfortunately, right now. So this does imply downside, okay? And you can see the momentum is basically falling down to the downside, which is absolutely fine. It's absolutely expected here. But what we are looking for is going to be that overextended momentum to the downside, like you did see here back on the 6th of July. When that does happen, you can see the bullish momentum that we find from that point, okay? So if we are looking at that there, then it's very likely that we're going to see a nice bounce. Now that in confluence with the stochastic coming down as well, and that is this pink, lovely pink and blue indicator here, and you can see this is actually a very pinnacle low point right now. So this indicates that we're due a bit of a move to the upside, and this is why I think we're due basically a bounce here on this lovely Fibonacci retracement zone of the 0.236, okay? So as I said before, coming down, bouncing up, and then testing this again, and then probably coming down and testing this area, okay? So that's what I would say about Doge. Let me know what you think in the comment section about Doge, the Doge update, and whether you're going to be trading this or whether you hold Doge. I'm really intrigued to see. Now, before we end the video, guys, just want to talk to you about Play Doge, okay? It's a play-to-earn mobile game that's gamified, okay? So it's super simple. What you do, you've got a little Doge character that you can see here. I don't know if my head's in the way. A little Doge character that you can see here that you have on an iOS or an Android app, and essentially like a Tamagotchi. And I don't know if you know what a Tamagotchi is, but it's like those little handheld devices where you had the little pets in, and you would feed it, you'd basically play games with it, and you'd interact with it from a gaming perspective. And essentially what this is, the longer you keep your pet alive, the more you're going to earn. So it's a play-to-earn ecosystem built on the Tamagotchi, Tamagotchi keeping your pet alive model. Okay, now they sold 82 million units. Okay, so super bullish, shows there's a market for it. And this is obviously going to be a free app, and it's going to be play to earn. The ticker is play, and it's Doge based, so it's definitely got a market in my opinion. They have raised $5.9 million so far. And if you do want to get involved with this, guys, you've got an hour left, an hour and a half left until the price will increase, and then they're going to be launching this. Okay, full disclosure, I'm involved with this. I bought up into this pre-sale, and yeah, I do think that this thing is going to absolutely explode at launch here. As I said, they raised nearly $6 million, so definitely something to put into your portfolio. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, CARD, or BNB. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. All the links will be in the description for Play Doge if you want to get involved with it, guys. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.